Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. It's Monday. The weather, it can't be any more perfect. I'm actually wearing jeans. First time in about 2 weeks, a week. So, yesterday and last night, I prepared Alton Brown's shrimp gumbo. Using his baking of the roux method instead of doing it on the stovetop. No. I followed his directions to the T. I got it to about a darkish blonde, but I had to, after almost 2.5 hours, I had to get it on stovetop and finish it off, by hand. It was actually, honestly, it was a little bland. So I actually added some of my Cajun seasoning blend to bring it up, spice-wise and flavor-wise. Not just spice, but flavor. I also added about a half a bag of frozen okra. I had to use it. I just needed to use it. Besides, I think gumbo should have okra. But what do I know? I'm from the north. Midwest, that is. All right. Today, I'm doing two things. I'm doing one of Robin's favorites and one of mine. But she requested this. Didn't necessarily request it this week. But I went ahead and we're going to do this. That's the Monday. Asian cucumber salad. This is a fun little dish. It's great for a snack. I mean, you could serve it as a side, but it's a great snack. Especially after it's kind of chilled out in the cold box for a day or two. Yeah. And for tonight, I'm going Mexican. You know how much Robin loves Mexican food. I'm going to try to get this right. I don't speak Spanish. Caldillo de Chile Verde. Basically, it's beef and tomatillos and peppers. Yeah, let's just get to it. All right, I got some hardware going. A couple Dutch ovens. So here's the beef. We're gonna start with the verde dish. We've got the beef, the tomatillos. The tortillas are out just for a prop, I guess. Set dressing. I'm gonna chop up a whole red onion. I got 3 chiles going here. I got some Anaheims, I got some jalapenos, and I got some poblanos. Some beef stock, a little bit of olive oil to sear and the beef. We've got some ground cumin, Mexican oregano, kosher salt, black pepper. Of course, there's garlic and cilantro for garnish and a bit of wonderful cilantro flavor. I'm actually going to be serving this over egg noodles. We had rice last night with the gumbo. I actually originally had Mexican rice to go with this. I decided this morning as I had my first cup of coffee, I'm going to do this over egg noodles. Of course, we have the tortillas. Yeah. So the cucumber salad, 1 large English cucumber, garlic, salt. The salt's important because you coat the cut cucumbers in the salt and it draws out some of the water out of the cucumber. All right, so we got some apple cider vinegar, sesame oil, chili oil. I'm using chili powder from India and sesame seeds for garnish and a bit of that more sesame flavor. So that's what I have got going on today. The big decision I got to make is mandolin or knife to slice the cucumber. Let's see how I feel. The verde dish really simmers for about 2 hours. So I'm going to be busy this afternoon and this morning. All right, on this Monday. Sorry. Have a great day. Eat great food. And as always, have fun cooking.